following the launch of the e-government communication strategy by the Prime Minister, who also unveiled the official logo. Secretary to Cabinet Mbuso Dlamini, who is also heading the e-government program, said now that the strategy has been launched, the logo unveiled and the point-of-sale facility up and running, what will follow is a competition to translate e-government to the Siswati language.
Now been shown to be true. Here's the new logo that you gave us. From here on, this is the face of e-government. The electronic payments are already up and running, as we have shown. And I'm so happy to see obathenga kuvotsutana ndinangulu base baphelela bonke la endlini. Nayi ke challenge yene bo CEO. The next competition the tawu ranishwa la ekhaya. And nonke lo tawushesha afike kuqala nje ngizonangulu ukuthi nguye sponsor sayo. Ngiyena lo tawu isebenta le competition. Ithi ke ngosi le competition i-government sesiyilonjile nayo iyasebenza. Kepha siyathi ngeSiswati ukuthi kuthiwa yini. Ngakho ke ndinangulu ukuthi ke bekunene asenimendele i-competition yabantu abesikolwa abo bonke bakangwane lethi yini i-government ngeSiswati, so that next time sizothi i-government bese sibhala ngeSiswati. Ngilo ke bo CEO wow.
Dlamini challenged chief executive officers and managing directors of companies to support the school's competition. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Sibusiso Ngubane in Zuluini.